Hi, hello, welcome to Social Scoop. This is Shruti, and today we are going to interview a next student of Delhi Public School, Nacharam. She has more inputs to give us, and let's talk to her and get to know what all are here. Hi, welcome to our
Hello.
show.
Hi.
Sahasra, right?
Yeah,
So please share us few moments about the school, some memories, good memories, and all.
I've been in the school for past 11 years and I tell that every single moment I spend in this school was the best. Like I've enjoyed throughout
Mm.
my whole 11 years
Uh-huh.
time.
Okay. So when you say I've enjoyed whole 11 years, what was the best time?
I think my 10th grade
10th grade.
because that's when I made like a lot of new friends and I had so much more exposure and there were so many more events that our school introduced and it was really fun.
Okay. So all these 9 years you were a child?
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't say that I was a child, but I had a lot to learn, and I think school gave me that. Like, I think I learned about life in school, and I'm really grateful that school gave me that.
Okay. So what are those few points that you would say that the school have taught you
One
or
of the
shaped you up in this way?
one of the most important point that I'd say is to like never give up. That's what I learned from school because we had like a lot of opportunities and we had to perform or participate in all of them. And there was so much competition and I think school like taught us to like never give up and how to shine in a lot of people and I'm like so grateful that it gave us that.
So was there any moment or a teacher that has left a lasting impact on you, like your favorite teacher or your favorite moment?
I had this one social sir in my 10th called Atul sir, and I'd say that he's my favorite. And throughout the year, he gave us mentorship, and he's still in our lives. He still gives us mentorship, and if we have any doubt regarding our life, like what we have to do next and anything, he's always there for us. He's just a call away, and he's a really good teacher. He was there for us always.
So this is apart from the academics as well. Whatever
Yes.
problem you have, he's a go-to
Yes.
person for you.
He's like a mentor, like a really
Mentor.
good person who like
Okay.
we'd always go through.
So what are the skills or values that you're carrying forward from your school that you have taken away as?
Yeah, so the school taught us many skills, like a lot of extracurriculars. We've been put through this like since the beginning of our school life, like since prep to 12th, we've always had opportunities and I think it gives us a lot of exposure to outside world as well. Like we've been through sports, dance, singing. We have so many events like SLCs, annual days, and feria, which was like recently added, but still it like taught us a lot of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And I'd say like one of the most important skill that school taught me was confidence. Like putting me through so many events, it gave me a lot of confidence, which is really useful in the outside world, and it's much needed. I'd say.
Good, actually. I can see that in you. And going forward, if given a chance and if you have to relive one day at school, which day would that be?
I think one of the field trips I've been on any of my school years because those were like the fun part of the whole year because we get to go out and then spend the day with like all of our friends and it was
True.
really good time.
Good. You are right, actually. How did the school life prepare you for the real world challenges?
Like I said, putting us through so many stuff and teaching us so many things. Like even if we do not want to pursue something in like feel like BTech or something, I think people can go to a creative field like dance, music. There's so many stuff outside. Like many schools outside, they only teach children how to study and our school is not like that. They put us through so many extracurriculars. So even though if the student does not want to do something that everyone does, he can do something unique. And that's really nice.
What is your favorite extracurricular activity?
I'd say volleyball. I was in the school team and it was the best sport for me. Like I enjoyed playing it a lot.
Yeah, okay. Since you enjoyed, haven't you thought about taking it to a next level or participating in any of the competitions as such?
Yeah, I have participated in volleyball and
Okay.
I still do play volleyball. It's like my favorite hobby. I do
Okay.
not see it as a career, but it's definitely will be with me throughout my life.
Since you are here for a so long time in the school associated with us, what inputs or what suggestions or what do you tell to the future youngsters or to the parents who are looking to join their kids into this school?
I'd say that this is an excellent school and they'd turn out to be a great person if they come into the school. They learn a lot of stuff and it's not like they'd be down in studies, they'd also be good in studies because school also makes sure that a person studies well, giving them extra support and everything. Teachers are excellent, so I definitely recommend to come see the campus and get into the school because campus is no less than a nice university. It's so huge. It's like spread across acres and it's really good campus. So they should come and check it out. And if they like it, they should definitely join.
Good. Thank you so much for sharing your inputs. All the best to your life.
Thank you.